tea. All right. You make green tea. This beauty over there is one of the best examples of colonial time railway construction here in Sri Lanka. So yeah, this bridge, when you're visiting Sri Lanka, is located near Ella, and you should visit when you're visiting Sri Lanka.
Welcome to Halpewata Tea Factory. My name is Saleh. I'm the tour guide for the plantation. Now I'm going to introduce the green leaf. This is the green leaf looks like. We have a small bud here. That is the one we call white tea, silver tea, gold tea, all in one. And also all the antioxidant minerals you find in this small tip only.
Just this one,
yeah, that's right. After spending 6-7 days in the field, you won't be able to gather even a half a kilo of this tip. Why? This one is very small, very lightweight. Just 3 steps only. Just steam it little bit and then roll it by hand. Put it to the sun 3 days continuously. When it comes to the standard, they stop and then place all the tea leaves into small envelopes, packets, and they sell it. 1 kilo is around 50,000 rupees.
Join me on a trip, a journey here in the tea plantations in Sri Lanka near Ella. I will be picking up tea leaves. Very interesting job. This lady, she's almost 60 and been doing this job for almost 30 years, picking leaves. Tea leaves, they make black tea, green tea, all kinds of teas from these leaves here. You make green tea. Fortunately, she doesn't speak. Doesn't speak English. I suppose should I eat these leaves? Eat? Right. Not sure what I'm supposed to do with these leaves. And ladies here, the pickers, the leaf pickers, whatever the right name term is, target for each one of them for their daily salary is 20 kg of leaves, as the old man explained. Here over their tea factory where they're making the tea, and from here, from these fields, these are called tea leaf fields, I guess. They're picking up the leaves, drying them out, moisturizing them in case it's black tea, right? And yeah, making basically tea, one of the best in the world. Black tea for sure, and green tea is like from China is the best one. I supposed to throw it there, yeah? So you have them in hand and then I throw it like this, yeah?
Okay. Right, fantastic.
Right. Now I'm here officially the employee. How many kilograms the ladies pick?
20 kilos must bring end of the day.
20 kilos they must bring end of the day. How many buckets is that?
Buckets, they have 10 kilos capacity.
This is 10 kilos?
This is 2 kilos.
2 kilos.
Yes. The one they are carrying is 10 kilos capacity.
This one is 10 kilos.
No, that is also 2 kilos.
Also
this is a baby one.
Okay.
The one there is very big, 5 times bigger than this one.
Got you.
Yeah.
So it's 20 kg for the daily salary, yeah?
Yes.
Nice. But not dried out.
Not
right?
dried out. This is fresher.
Fresh. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and then I throw it in. Beautiful scenery here, like you have. It's magnificent. You basically make black and green tea, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So do 2 types of tea which come from one plant, right?
Same plant.
Same plant, just the difference is Black tea, it has to be fermented, right?
5
So
steps are there for that one.
So that means you just moisture the green tea leaves and dry them out. That's the difference between black and green tea.
Manual one.
Manual, okay.
It's black tea, 5 steps we have that is inside the factory. That has to be monitored very carefully to prepare black tea.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's like basically the same plant, this plant, where you make the black and green tea from the same leaf, and the difference is just in the fermentization, moisturizing process. Good to know. So they start early morning, yeah, I guess
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock and finish evening time with 20 kg filled in the bucket. Are there different species of like
No,
the plant?
Same. Camellia sinensis you call for this plant, and then we have different varieties we have. Higher crop 2023, 2024 like that.
Gotcha. There you see, that's the tea factory where they dry out the leaves, moisturize them in case of the black tea, and yeah. How old is the factory?
That's about 1969. It was a very small factory,
Okay.
and our proprietor was taken over by 1969, and he renovated with now it's fully equipped with the all modern machineries. It is almost automated one. Manual, it's not manual. Manual factory, yeah, that's a very difficult task in that area. So,
Sorry?
You have to finish this.
I finished this. I have to finish it. Let's finish it. I'm finishing the tea. All right.
I put little bit.
All right. This is the next one, the stronger one, yeah. Very good.
They're not stronger than that.
This is even stronger. Yeah. Like, I hope I will survive it. Oh, sends shivers down my spine. Good alternative to whiskey. Alright, like, cheers. Oh, yeah. Yeah, like, this one was, it's bitter.
Yeah.
This is the black one, yeah. This one, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. But I noticed like it's like this, like the strongest, weaker,
Yeah.
and it's going like you can see in color, right? Like
Yeah. That's right.
you can see actually that this is the lightest one, right? Then we have the stronger one, and the color is changing to more darker and darkest one. Yeah. But it's all black tea, right? Black tea. Okay. Last one, yeah. Cheers, guys. Oh, but I like it like it's a little bit bitter.
It's nice.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Alright, that was the tour. And they have a shop here. You can buy all kinds of teas, tea variations, your green tea. It's like $250. It's actually pretty cheap, I would say. Alright then, hope you like this video, like the tour, and see you next time. Bye bye.